Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today it's Tuesday the 25th of March and it is just from 10 to 4 in the afternoon. Beautiful day here, a bit nippy, but the sun's shining and the weather's starting to pick up. Spring's finally on its way, which is absolutely brilliant. See here the privet just started to grow again, which is absolutely amazing, which I absolutely love. If we come round here, we have this is starting to grow back again. Fuchsia, which I absolutely love. As we come through the gate, we have here we have here the daffodils of starting to flower and the primulas looking absolutely epic. It's one that's self-seeded. So primula there. Next to that we have our perennial geraniums, a beautiful pink variety. And then this is a foxglove that I pruned back so it'll flower for a second year. Next to that we have hollyhocks, and these are forget-me-nots, pinky purple colour, which is great. This is a daylily, it's a golden variety, right in the middle there, a bit further down. These are white phlox sauce stocks, I always get mixed up, I think it's phlox. And then come a bit further down, this is a pink, like a maroon variety of daylily. And then further down we have here, this is my hosta, which is great. I weeded all this probably 2 weeks ago now, so it's all looking great. Look at this beautiful golden yellow, absolutely amazing primula there. And down here we have this is a lupin, grown from seed, purple variety. And if we just move up here, we have the sun, which is absolutely amazing this time of day. Some more phlox, quick look, another golden daylily there. Some more really nice golden primulas. If we come round here, we have phlox, hollyhocks, which I love. But you see the rust there, so I'll spray those shortly. These are beautiful self-seeded primulas. You can see those there. And these varieties, I can never remember buying these, but I love the colours. They start off this really vibrant, dark pink, and then fade to a beautiful light pink, which is great. I absolutely love that. And the centres are absolutely stunning on these. Absolutely amazing. So then if we just have a look up here, we have Japanese anemones there. Come round here, we have, this is a lupin. Looks like it might come back there. Next to we have here a perennial geranium. These are my Japanese anemones, which are beautiful. Flower later on in the season, those. And yeah, I'm really glad that I cut the privet back to a lovely wave pattern. I'm thinking about doing something similar down the sides. Let me know if you think some interesting shapes would be nice down there, instead of just the same old, same old. Come down here, we have beautiful vintage daffodils. And then down here, these are the peonies. These are scented varieties. They're going to look great. A bit further along, we have some more peonies there. These are my forget-me-nots. Just starting to flower. Some primula just at the back there. Just look at those, they're absolutely amazing. Once all these stop flowering, it just transforms this garden. And if we come round here, we have some hostas in the middle there, with some forget-me-nots. We have, let's have a look here, we have forget-me-nots. These hollyhocks need spraying. This has been pruned back, my tree here, which is great. But if we look down here, this is one of the new varieties of peony. It's like a pinky colour, and the scent on them is absolutely stunning. Forget-me-nots in the middle there. I only weeded up until the line just into that corner there, so this has not been weeded properly yet, which will get done in the next few days once the weather keeps going nice and well. Look at the peony tuber there, absolutely massive. This is one of the old varieties, as you can see, starting to get its flowers heads on. That's a lovely dark mauve, which I absolutely love. Come down here, these are bluebells, which is amazing. And then if we have a quick whiz around here, we have up the tree here, this is clematis climber, which is great, which I've tied in. If you see that there, just starting to grow, which is brilliant. Hopefully that will grow really nice up through the ivy. They're daylilies. This is an oriental poppy called Diane Joyce that I've grown from seed. It's a white variety. This is a red variety that I got given by a neighbour. And we have some more hollyhocks there. Another one here, which I'll give it a good spray, stop it from rusting. A little bit further down we have daylilies there. And then all these beautiful forget-me-nots. If we come round here, we should have, here we go, bleeding heart there, Dicentra. Just starting to nose its way through there. Here we go again, another peony. Just a couple of years to get going, but now it's in there. This is really going to flower well this year, that one. Come down here, forget-me-nots and mad primulas. Another grow from seed lupin, Dicentra bleeding heart there, just starting to flower, that one, which is great. We come down here, we have, all these are going to get dug up this year, definitely going to dig these up this year, because they've just become too much. So yeah, primulas there. Another lupin there, looking really healthy this year, that one. Some more primulas that are self-seeded. Then if we come down here, we have, these pots are going to get cleaned up. This is beautiful agapanthus grown from seed, which has got a foxglove growing in there, which is going to be great. Come down here, we have beautiful climber there. This is called clotted cream, this. When it flowers, the scent just fills the house. It's absolutely amazing. This is Campanula Blue, which is a really good ground cover. Another view of the bleeding heart there. That's about it. We have agapanthus grown from seed, several pots. Some of them are also called Queen Mum, which I got from the Harrogate Flower Show. If it's nailed down here, I'll show you. Just a quick view of the garden. If you've got any questions about anything on my channel, please don't hesitate to ask, folks. Please subscribe and like, it really does help my channel. And as always, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, everybody, and please keep safe. Thank you. Bye.